With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, in an electrical cable, there is a single wire of radius 9 mm of copper. Its resistance is 5 ohm. The cable is replaced by 6 different insulated copper wires. The radius of each wire is 3 mm. Now, the total resistance of the cable will be, so let us say that radius small r equal to 9 millimeter and resistance capital R equals to 5 ohm for the first copper, right? And let the length equals to L. In case of second, let us take it R2 equals to 3 millimeter, right? And R, that is resistance, we have to find out. Same, it is the length of L, right? So we know that resistance of 1 will be rho into length upon area, right? Similarly for R2, it will be rho L upon pi R2 square, right? And it is for the one copper wire, as it is given that there are 6 different insulated coppers. So it will be equal to, that is R net will be equal to rho L upon pi R square 2 into 6, 1 by 6. So this will be our equation number 1, right? The equation, in this equation we will have to put the values. Resistance is given, that is 5 ohm equal to 3L upon pi R 1 square. So let this equation be 1 and this equation be our second equation. Now let us divide equation number 2 with equation number 1. We will have R by 2, sorry, R2 divided by 5 equal to rho L 6 pi R2 square multiply by pi R1 whole square divided by rho L. So here rho L and rho L will cancel out. Similarly pi R square, pi and pi will cancel out with each other. So all in all we will have R2 by 5 equal to 1 upon 6 into R1 upon R2 whole square, right? So after putting the values, we will have 1 by 6 into 9 by 3 whole square, which will gives us the value 3 by 2. So now we will remain with R2 equal to 3 by 2 multiplied by 5. So after solving this, we will be having the resistance of 7.5 ohm, which is the answer for the given question, and in the option 1 is right.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.